procedural aspect of copyright, we know that yes, again here you have to kind of go for the application, then there is a registration procedure, and then unfortunate event there may be opposition, because whenever the examination, the registrar is or the examiner in the copyright registry, when they are doing off in that copyright office, whenever they are doing the examination, they will check again that obviously substantive, that originality and all that aspects. There is no any database to check originality, but they will like go into details, and they will publish the work in on their site, that this is the work which is claimed by this fellow. And if somebody have to like objection, they can file the opposition. If that opposition comes, opposition related proceedings will be there, and then after that the decision will be taken on the registration of that particular copyright registration. So, here form 14 is there, and you know that you have to give whole details about